Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a complete first look at the stunning 2026 Honda Civic Type R. This latest performance sedan combines aggressive styling, everyday practicality, advanced technology, and thrilling driving performance. Honda has built the Civic Type R for drivers who want race-inspired performance while still enjoying the comfort of a daily driver. In today's video, we'll explore the exterior design, premium interior, engine, performance, technology, safety features, and expected price of the 2026 Honda Civic Type R. If you're a fan of Japanese performance cars, stay with us until the end. Let's begin with the first look. The moment you see the 2026 Honda Civic Type R, you immediately notice its bold and athletic appearance. The body looks lower, wider, and more aggressive than the standard Civic, giving it a true performance car personality. Finished in a beautiful metallic dark red paint, the Civic Type R looks absolutely stunning under the bright showroom lights. The deep metallic finish reflects every light across the body, highlighting its sharp lines and muscular curves. Starting at the front, the Civic Type R features a sporty front bumper with large air intakes designed to improve airflow to the engine and brakes. The slim LED headlights give the front a sharp and modern appearance while providing excellent visibility at night. The sculpted hood adds a sporty touch, while the aerodynamic design helps improve stability at higher speeds. Every detail on the front has been carefully designed to enhance both appearance and performance. Moving along the side, the Civic Type R continues to impress. Strong character lines flow smoothly from the front fenders to the rear, creating a dynamic profile. The lightweight alloy wheels perfectly fill the wide wheel arches, giving the car an aggressive stance. Behind the wheels are large ventilated brake discs with high-performance brake calipers, providing excellent stopping power. The side skirts improve aerodynamics while giving the sedan a lower and more athletic look. The glossy black mirrors and sporty window trim complete the premium appearance. Now let's move to the rear. The rear design is bold and instantly recognizable. A large performance spoiler sits on the trunk, improving downforce and adding to the race-inspired styling. The slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving the Civic Type R a clean and modern look. The aggressive rear bumper features a functional diffuser and a sporty exhaust setup that produces a deep and exciting exhaust note. Overall, the exterior perfectly balances everyday practicality with high-performance styling. Now let's step inside. Opening the driver's door reveals a cabin designed entirely around the driver. The interior combines premium materials with a sporty atmosphere. Soft touch surfaces, Alcantara accents, aluminum trim, and contrast stitching create a modern and upscale environment. The front sport bucket seats provide outstanding support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Their ergonomic design keeps both the driver and passenger secure during fast cornering. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, engine RPM, navigation, fuel information, performance data, and customizable driving modes. The large infotainment touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, wireless charging, and a premium audio system. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels comfortable and sporty, featuring multi-function controls that allow easy access to important vehicle settings. The center console is clean and practical, offering. Although it's a performance sedan, the Civic Type R still offers generous passenger space and a practical cargo area, making it suitable for everyday use. Now let's talk about the engine. Powering the 2026 Honda Civic Type R is an impressive 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder VTEC engine. This powerful engine is expected to produce around 315 horsepower and approximately 420 Nm of torque. Power is delivered to the front wheels through a precise 6-speed manual transmission, giving drivers complete control and an engaging driving experience. Honda's rev matching system helps deliver smoother downshifts while enhancing performance. Acceleration is quick and exciting. The Civic Type R is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest front-wheel drive performance cars available. The top speed is expected to exceed 170 miles per hour, depending on market specifications. Honda has equipped the Civic Type R with an adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions. Whether driving through city streets or attacking winding roads, the car remains stable, comfortable, and responsive. The high-performance braking system provides excellent stopping power, while the limited slip differential improves traction during hard acceleration and cornering. Safety is another important strength of the Civic Type R. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, rear view camera, multiple airbags, traction control, and electronic stability control. Despite its impressive performance, the Civic Type R remains practical enough for everyday driving, offering excellent visibility, comfortable seating, and good fuel efficiency for its class. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2026 Honda Civic Type R is expected to start at approximately $48,000 to $55,000 USD, depending on the market, taxes, and optional equipment. It competes with popular performance cars such as the Toyota GR Corolla, Volkswagen Golf R, Hyundai Elantra N, Subaru WRX, and Acura Integra Type S. Overall, the 2026 Honda Civic Type R is one of the best performance sedans available. It combines aggressive styling, a powerful turbocharged engine, modern technology, everyday practicality, and Honda's legendary reliability into one exciting package. Whether you're looking for a fun weekend car or a practical performance vehicle for daily driving, the Civic Type R deserves a place at the top of your list. That brings us to the end of today's first look at the 2026 Honda Civic Type R. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of sports cars, luxury cars, and exciting new vehicles. Thank you for watching, drive safely, and I'll see you in the next video.
Keep it intact, do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the room. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the room. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time when I'ma come through.